We messed up. Hi, my name's Lauren, and I make horrible decisions, and I let Vic, Cassie, and Joelle talk me into buying pink hair dye instead of blonde. To everyone that told me that I shouldn't dye my hair blonde, it's fine because I'm dyeing it pink. You're welcome. It was only 2 people. Oh my gosh, I have a pimple. It was only 2 people that said. Are you kidding? No, it's okay.
Hey. What's up?
The process. Can I like? There it is. Oh, honey, no. You can see it in my scalp. We're doing great.
A few moments later.
We waited like 22 minutes, I would say, instead of 30, because I don't want this to stay in my hair forever. You can see it's turning pink. Okay, but I'm gonna wash it out, and we're gonna see if this worked or not. As of now, we think nothing happened, and my hair is still the same color as before, but maybe lighter. I have come up with life advice. Don't dye your hair permanently pink because it won't be pink. You can't see it. It will be orange. My hair is orange. Do you see that? Okay, you still can't see it. I'm gonna wash my hair though. I can't take it down from this because it's literally so disgusting. We messed up. It's orange. You can kind of see it there. When I had my hair down, it looked there was so much more orange, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm just gonna leave it. Girl, are you okay? No, it's like really gross. I just need to wash it, but I don't feel like washing it now. That's too much work. But well, let me do this. Okay, now before you say, Lauren, it doesn't look any different. Do you see that's orange right there? That looks orange. And that looks orange. And I know it's probably like blonde, but like to me, oh, do you see that? Orange. My hair is kind of orange, kind of blonde. Don't really know which one it is, but it's one of the two. Like right there. And I know Vic is gonna come at me and be like, excuse me, it's strawberry blonde. I know I'm dramatic in this. I don't care. I still think my hair is orange. You can't tell in this lighting because everything looks yellow in this lighting. Somebody said that they could tell that there was a difference. Yeah, this was a little short, but I didn't film everything just because I didn't feel like it. And that's the end of the video.